welcome back to my channel. My name is IFEOLUWA. So today guys, I want to share with you a personal goal that I have for 2023. So this year I am going to be increasing my income by leveraging digital tools, skills, platforms, and I feel like you can benefit from this. So guys, I am starting off by creating digital products. So we are going to be creating digital products together. We are also going to create these products based on these criteria. First, products that are passive in nature, products that we just need to create once and people continuously want to buy them over and over again, year in, year out. We are also going to be looking at products that have a long-term gain. So products that would last for the long-term run, products that people need on a regular basis, and products that are going to be evergreen every year. We are also going to be looking at products based on their stability on the platforms that we intend to choose. So platforms that we could choose are platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Shopify, or Etsy. So guys, I am inviting you to be a part of this journey. Please share with somebody that needs to also be a part of making a passive source of income for themselves, and also subscribe to this channel so you get to be a part of this process and do not miss out on any part of this process. And I'll see you guys in the next video of the Make Money Online series. Bye guys.